Gravity Column Designer. Overview. This tool allows us to design isolated wide flange, HP and HSS columns. The design is conducted according to AISC 13 LRFD interaction equation method. Please find details about the calculation methods and assumptions in the help file by hitting F1 key while in the module. Note that all units in the Gravity Column Designer are imperial. This can't be changed. Refer to Introduction for unit conversions. This tool will only take point loads from the Revit model into account located within 30 centimeters eccentricity along the axis of the column. However, tributary loads or loads defined as is-reaction in the instance properties are not considered. Unfortunately, this limitation includes loads created by the load takedown module from the Revit extensions. The column designer in its current version only allows to design columns to the conditions at the column top. Additional loads and moments can be applied in different levels, but they won't affect the results. This is a bug and used to work in previous versions. As a result, the following exercise will only focus on the column top. Exercise. To follow this exercise, open the SU002 sample project model and open the standard 3D view. Zoom into the example building and select the central east-facing column. Notice that several point loads resembling tributary loads have been applied manually. Start the Gravity Column Designer from the Revit Extensions tab. In the Summary dialog, the tool displays geometric and material properties as well as whether the selected column is adequate according to the design method with the current settings. Select Level 3 Column Top dialog to check existing loads and to apply actual point loads with eccentricity in X and Y axis as well as a load type. Type in the following details: XY offset for both loads, dead and live, to 10 inches. No additional moments required as they are covered by the eccentricity of the point loads already. Both X and Y axes are pinned and sideways constrained. Check the summary at the bottom right. Select Level 2 and Level 1 dialogues and set the XY constraints to pinned and sideways constrained. These settings will affect the column top results. Go back to the Summary dialog and select Optimize Section. The software will select the smallest section with an interaction result closest to but not exceeding 1. Note that you can select the section types and families that are accessible for the Gravity Column Designer in the Family Locations dialog. Open the Report dialog. This dialog displays a report about the calculation environment and lets us either print or save the report as an HTML file. After creating a report, select OK and notice that the column has changed to the optimized section. And this concludes the exercise Gravity Column Designer.